This 2022 Heartland Road Warrior 3965 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Perry, Iowa, 50220 and is offered for sale by McKee RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features a shadow stone, Country Creek interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.